Hello everyone, welcome here. This lecture you are going to learning what are serializers in Django REST API framework. Yes, you will be known why we require to use these serializers and how to implement a base. Let's initiate. Serializers in Django REST API. Introduction to serializers. Serializers are a key component of Django REST framework. Also, shortcut of DRF will be called Django REST framework. They provide a way to convert complex data types such as Django models into native Python data types. So serializers are also handle the conversion of Python data types back into complex type. Means when we are using REST API, these serializers which are going to be making complex data types to native data types and also native data types to complex data types, vice versa. Why we require to use? Facilitate the handling of complex data structure in HTTP request and responses. So serializers help with data validations, deserialization and serialization, simplifies the purpose and process of working with models and performing CRUD operations. The CRUD operations are nothing but creating, reading, updating, deleting records from database tables. Basic usage of serializers. Defining a serializer class that inherits from DRF's serializers.serializer class. Specify the fields that should be included in the serialized output. Define validation and customization of methods which are we created as models such as create, update, more like a put method. These all we can use by using these serializers. Anyhow, you will be seeing how to create, which we are created earlier like a two model classes, and we have seen how like data added. For these two models we are implementing serializers. We will be learn step by step process. Thanking you.